Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing materials and taking the first precise cuts. You measure the wrist and translate that into link sizes, then clamp the stainless strip to reduce vibration. This keeps cuts clean. Use a jeweler saw with a fresh blade and cut slow to avoid burred edges. Once cut, file each edge with a flat file to remove sharpness and keep consistent link widths. Make sure to deburr both faces so links will sit flush when assembled. Next, you drill and shape each link for assembly, taking care to keep hole centers aligned. Misalignment causes binding. Hold links in a jig or vise and drill through slowly with cooling lubricant to prevent work hardening. Once holes are consistent, shape with needle files and refine surfaces with emery paper, progressing from 400 to 2000 grit for your desired finish. Test fit a sequence of links using jump rings or tiny rivets to check articulation and movement, and correct any tight spots before final assembly. You finish by assembling and securing the bracelet, inserting rivets or jump rings and peening rivet heads just enough to lock links while preserving movement. Once assembled, clean with isopropyl alcohol, then polish using a cloth wheel or by hand. Use a soft compound followed by a fine polish for shine. If corrosion resistance matters, passivate briefly with a citric or citric-based solution. Troubleshooting: if a link binds, check alignment and gently bend back. If too stiff, increase hole diameter by 1 to 2 mm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.